Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Tesla. Now, after that big move that we had a couple days ago from the Hertz news, we said 1050 to 1,000. That's going to be our first immediate supports and resistances. Obviously, we broke above that. Yesterday was kind of a weird day. We have this long tail here on the upper wick, and you can see that high of 1094 that we hit, and we hit a low of 1,000. So volatility kicked up in here huge, especially yesterday. Today, a little bit more of a normal day. We are up 42 bucks on the day, almost 4%. And you can see we are still above that 1,050 level, and we're currently trading at 1061. So what are we looking at here as far as resistance wise? Well, it's going to be that high that we had coming in on yesterday's morning high, and that's going to be that 1094 level. That's going to be our first big resistance in here, especially on the daily. But we can dig in deeper to the 30-minute chart here. You can see there's a little something here right around the 1070s, and we have some good support down here right around those 1033. So as we're trading, obviously we're doing a top-down approach here. So we go to the daily, we say, okay, the high that we printed yesterday, 1094. We got a low in here of 1,000. So that's going to be our big, wide supports and resistances. We dig in deeper 30-minute chart. You can see that the 1070s and those 1030s are going to be an area of support and resistance for us going forward. Now, if we do end up dropping below 1,000, really, there's not a whole lot of anything until you get down here to this 9-day moving average, and that's currently trading right around 946. So that's going to be your major support. You also have a gap here to fill on the daily. Obviously, that needs to be filled at some point. Not saying in the near future, but it does need to get filled. RSI, obviously, still high. Stochastics as well need to be reset before we can do anything in here. So maybe this might be the end of it, but we'll have to see what happens in here. Just keep in mind those big whole numbers as we start climbing higher above the 1100s. But if we're going to stay in between the high that we printed yesterday and that 1,000-point low, then we're looking at the 1071s, we're watching the 1050s, and we're looking at those 1033s as our next key levels. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached links to our socials in the description, and we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.